Welcome back in this vocab session second. It belongs to class 5, lesson 3, named The Greatest Singer. Let us enjoy it. It involves 5 columns. First column involves new words, second column involves pronunciation of each given word, and third column involves English meaning of each given word. Fourth column involves Hindi meaning of each given word, and last fifth column involves uses in sentences. That means it is of correct use of each given word. Let us enjoy it. 16th word is eventually. Correct pronunciation is eventually. English meaning in the end. Hindi meaning antutah. Use in sentence. Eventually the elephant became calmed. 17th word is calmed. 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 Correct pronunciation is calmed. English meaning quiet. Hindi meaning shant. Use in sentence. At last the elephant became calmed. 18th word is provesh. Correct pronunciation is provesh. English meaning skill or expertise. Hindi meaning kaushal और कौशल या योग्यता. Use in sentence. Tansen's musical prowess had extraordinary powers. 19th word is extraordinary. Correct pronunciation is extraordinary. English meaning remarkable. Hindi meaning asadharan. Use in sentence. Tansen's music had extraordinary power. Next word is folklore. Spelling FOLKLORE. Folklore. Next English meaning is the traditional beliefs. Hindi meaning lok shahit. Use in sentence. There are so many folklore about Tansen's music in old book. And 21st word is far and wide. Correct pronunciation is far and wide. English meaning over a large area. Hindi meaning dur or vistrit. Use in sentence. Many people from far and wide came to listen Tansen's Deepak Rag. Now come to enjoy next word. That is 22nd word. Unlit. 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 Correct pronunciation is unlit. English meaning not provided with lighting. Hindi meaning bina jala hua. Use in sentence. Unlit lamps were placed on the walls. Next word is wilted. 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 Correct pronunciation is wilted. English meaning become limp through heat. Hindi meaning murjha gaya. And English use in sentence. Many flowers wilted due to being affected by Deepak Rag. Next 24th word is rag. RAGA. Rag. English meaning traditional melody patterns with rhythms. And Hindi meaning rag. Use in sentence. On the order of Akbar, Tansen sang Deepak Rag. 25th word is incredible story. Correct pronunciation is incredible story. And English meaning extraordinary story. Hindi meaning adbhut kahani. Use in sentence. This incredible story of Tansen is about 400 years old. Now come to enjoy 26th word tomb. Tomb. Its pronunciation is tomb. English meaning a monument to the memory of a dead person. And Hindi meaning kabr. Use in sentence. There is tomb of Tansen in Gwalior. 27th word is legacy. 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 English meaning an amount of money or property left to someone in a will. Hindi meaning parampara. And in using sentence, Tansen's legacy lives on a testament to the magical power of his music. And last 28th word is testament. Correct pronunciation is testament. Its spelling is T-E-S-T-A-M-E-N-T. Testament. English meaning something that serves as a sign or evidence of a specific fact or quality. In Hindi it means wasiyatnama. Wasiyatnama. And using sentence, Tansen's legacy lives on a testament to the magical power of his music.